Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of Chem Solve. In today's video, we are gonna solve a very important question which is being asked in your theory exams, and we will discuss that what should you exactly write for the answer of this question. This question is normally a 2-marker question, so I will tell you that which 2 points you should exactly write to get the 2 marks. Okay, so let's have a look on this question. The equation for the complete combustion of ethane is given. This is the equation. The reaction is exothermic. Examiner will always tell you during the question, in the question, that either the reaction is exothermic or the reaction is endothermic. You will be provided this information in the question. But you have to explain using the idea about bond breaking and bond making why this reaction is exothermic. You have to explain that why this reaction is exothermic, or otherwise examiner may ask that the following reaction is endothermic, and explain using the idea about bond breaking and bond making why the reaction is endothermic. So he can ask you both ways, either the reaction is exothermic or the reaction is endothermic. So I'm going to tell you exact 2 points for that. If, for example, examiner says the reaction is exothermic and explain in terms of bond making and breaking why it is exothermic, then what should you write? Or examiner says this reaction is endothermic and explain in terms of bond making and breaking why the following reaction is endothermic, then what should you write? So actually you have to write 2 points for that. So we are gonna write exact those 2 points. The first point will remain same. You will say bond breaking is endothermic and bond making is exothermic. And if the question being asked about endothermic reaction, this point will remain same. Bond breaking is endothermic and bond making is exothermic. So the first point will remain same. What about the second point? If the question is about exothermic reaction, so you will say more energy is released during bond making then absorbed during bond breaking. Okay, and if the question is about endothermic, then you will write more energy is absorbed during bond breaking then released during bond making. Save this video and get full marks in this question. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.